think it's still the situation. Aboro, I'm keeping go. Boy, it's been the same. I've got everything for her, everything.
Because foreign beings deserve to die. 8 years of the same script. A shout, a hit, the repeat, the apologize. I got so good at it. I could predict the bruises. Purple on Tuesday, yellow on Friday. You told me he's a good man underneath. Oh, Jack! There was nothing underneath. Just some empty rooms with an empty hand that like the sound that it made. Let me tell you something. Last Tuesday, he tried the same thing on our daughter. The same hesitation. Like he's tasting the weight of it. So, I got so curious. Sought him. I killed him. Fast, quiet, because the problems don't scream when you come for a while. Oh, Liz, are you crying now? Tell me. Is it because he's gone? Or is it because you finally see what you need? You made I'm a fuzzy
Anyone got triggered? Okay, good, that's lovely.
I said to you to gag. I said to you.
No, but I mean again, no. Spain.
Yes, well, yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, later again, hosted by the Nesfisa participants. And my name is Nomfundo Mbuisa, but I go over the name of DJ Matt, and I'll be host for today. Like to Nkanyiso with handsome. Should I go? Okay. Handsome, well-known guys, and ladies, he is single.
Ooh, uyambuza noma uyamtshela?
Ngiyamtshela.
Ingaka-confirming. No. Nina guys ngicabangani? Single, taken? Single? How ma? Nina it's got my friends. Igama usiphe umpele and ngihamba with my beautiful co-host, you know, DJ Matt. I'll say muhle mama. So guys, today is gonna be an interesting one, and I'm glad it's a full house today, and it's only Shane is under the back of the So yeah.